it's really cool that you can have the beat element not being played by a drummer or like on a tape recording, or that you can actually have it also done by voices. So I think beatboxing and choirs fits together. For me, they can learn how to beatbox. We have 3 basic sounds. First one is the kick drum. It's the letter B with the lips. Second sound is a hi-hat, that's the letter T. And the third sound is a snare or a clap, and that's the letter K. And if you put them together, you can make